Learn ChatGPT and AI tools with prompts. The ultimate guide. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we work, create, and solve problems. ChatGPT and AI-powered tools are becoming essential for productivity, creativity, and automation. But how do you use them effectively? In this video, we'll explore how to learn ChatGPT and other AI tools with powerful prompts that unlock their full potential. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your AI skills, this guide will help you master AI in no time. ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot developed by OpenAI, designed to understand and generate human-like text. It can help with writing, coding, brainstorming, answering questions, and much more. To get the best results, using the right prompts is key. Example: prompts for ChatGPT. For writing assistance, write a compelling introduction for a blog post about AI in marketing. For learning concepts, explain quantum computing in simple terms for a 10-year-old. For productivity, create a daily productivity plan for a remote worker. For coding help, write a Python script that scrapes data from a website and saves it as a CSV file. For content creation, generate a YouTube script on how to learn AI in 2025 with engaging hooks and transitions. By crafting specific and detailed prompts, you can guide ChatGPT to generate precise and useful responses. AI tools go beyond ChatGPT, enabling automation, creativity, and problem-solving in various fields. Here are some top AI tools and how you can use them. AI writing tools. Jasper AI generates marketing copy, blog posts, and ad content. Copy.ai helps with email writing, slogans, and product descriptions. Prompt example: write a persuasive LinkedIn post about why AI is the future of content marketing. AI image and video tools. Leonardo AI creates high-quality AI-generated art. Runway ML edits videos and generates AI-powered special effects. Prompt example: generate a cinematic 2D illustration of a futuristic AI city at night. AI coding and development tools. GitHub Copilot assists in writing and completing code. Codium, a free AI code assistant for developers. Prompt example: write a JavaScript function that fetches live cryptocurrency prices from an API. AI productivity and business automation tools. Notion AI helps with note-taking, summaries, and idea generation. ChatGPT plugins and Zapier AI automates tasks and integrates AI into workflows. Prompt example: summarize key insights from a 10-page business report in bullet points. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. ChatGPT API can be used to build custom AI chatbots. Tidio and ManyChat automate customer support and marketing chatbots. Prompt example: create a chatbot script for an e-commerce store to assist customers with product recommendations. To make ChatGPT work smarter for you, use prompt engineering techniques like role-based prompts. Instead of asking, "Explain SEO," try, "You are an SEO expert. Explain how small businesses can rank higher on Google." Step-by-step guidance. Instead of "Teach me Python," try, "Explain Python programming in 5 progressive lessons for a beginner." Formatting instructions. Instead of "List benefits of AI," try, "List 5 benefits of AI in bullet points with a short explanation for each." Task refinement. If ChatGPT's response is vague, refine your request with "Make it more detailed," or "Explain it in simpler terms." Compare the benefits and drawbacks of AI automation in business with real-world examples. Use AI daily. Set a goal to use AI for tasks like research, content creation, or brainstorming. Example: generate 3 unique ideas for a YouTube channel based on AI trends. Experiment with different AI tools. Example: compare the AI-generated responses of ChatGPT and Claude AI on writing an email pitch. Follow AI discussions on Reddit, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Participate in AI hackathons and online courses to enhance your skills. AI is not just a trend, it's a tool that can transform the way we work, create, and innovate. By mastering ChatGPT and AI tools, you can improve productivity, creativity, and problem-solving in any field. Start experimenting with AI today and see the possibilities unfold. What's your favorite AI tool and how do you use it? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI insights. Thanks for watching.